Hello lovers coins friends, welcome back to Bullion and Beyond. The channel where we explore rare coins, valuable coins and hidden treasures that might be sitting quietly in your pocket or coin jar. Today we are talking about a fascinating modern coin that many collectors and everyday people completely overlook. The 2011 5 cents coin from Canada. Most people think a nickel is only worth 5 cents. But some rare examples of the 2011 Canadian 5 cents coin have shocked collectors and reached extraordinary estimated values. Some reports and listings claim that certain rare varieties could reach values as high as $643,896,000 depending on condition, rarity and collector demand. That number sounds unbelievable, but rare coins often surprise the world. Let us begin with the background of this coin. The Canadian 5 cents coin, commonly known as the nickel, is one of the most recognizable coins produced by the Royal Canadian Mint. Canada introduced the 5 cents coin in 1858 and it has gone through several design and metal changes throughout history. The modern version of the coin, including the 2011 issue, is made from multi-plated steel which replaced earlier nickel compositions. The 2011 Canadian 5 cents coin features a classic design that collectors instantly recognize. On the reverse side you will see the famous beaver sitting on a rock. The beaver has been an iconic national symbol of Canada for many decades. This design was originally created by Canadian artist G.E. Kruger Gray and it represents the hard-working spirit and natural heritage of Canada. On the obverse side of the coin you will find the portrait of Queen Elizabeth II. The portrait used on the 2011 coin was designed by Susanna Blunt and it shows the Queen without a crown, which makes it different from many earlier royal portraits on coins. Around the portrait you will see the inscription Elizabeth II and the year 2011. Now you might be wondering how a common-looking coin could possibly reach a massive value. The answer lies in rarity, condition, mint errors and collector demand. Coin collectors around the world are always searching for unique varieties. A small difference in design, metal composition or minting error can turn an ordinary coin into a legendary collectible. One reason the 2011 Canadian 5 cents coin could become valuable is the possibility of mint errors. Mint errors occur when something unusual happens during the production process at the mint. This could include double strikes, off-center strikes, clipped planchets, die cracks or missing design elements. Error coins are extremely attractive to collectors because they are unique and often produced in very limited numbers. Another factor that can increase value is condition. Coins are graded on a scale that ranges from poor condition to mint state condition. A coin that has never been circulated and still retains its original mint luster can be worth significantly more than a coin that has been heavily used. Professional grading companies carefully evaluate coins and assign them a grade that helps determine their market value. For the 2011 Canadian nickel, collectors often look for coins in brilliant uncirculated condition or coins that have been certified by professional grading services. When a coin is graded at the highest levels it becomes more desirable in the marketplace and collectors may compete to add it to their collections. There are also special varieties that collectors pay attention to. Sometimes small differences in lettering, spacing, die alignment or surface texture can create a collectible variety. These varieties may not be obvious to the average person, but experienced collectors study them carefully. Another interesting aspect is the global coin collecting market. Coin collecting has grown rapidly over the past decade, with collectors, investors and hobbyists searching for hidden treasures. Online marketplaces, auctions and coin shows have made it easier than ever to buy and sell rare coins. Because of this growing interest, even modern coins like the 2011 Canadian 5 cents coin can gain attention if a rare variety is discovered. If you think you might have a valuable coin, there are a few things you should do. First, examine the coin carefully under good lighting. Look for unusual marks, errors or differences in the design. Second, avoid cleaning the coin because cleaning can damage the surface and reduce its value. Third, consider having the coin evaluated by a professional coin dealer or grading service. Many valuable coins have been discovered in pocket change, coin jars and old collections passed down through families. This is what makes coin collecting so exciting. Every coin has a story and sometimes that story leads to an incredible discovery. The 2011 Canadian 5 cents coin reminds us that even modern coins can hold surprising potential. While most examples are worth only their face value, rare varieties or perfect condition coins can attract serious collector interest. Imagine checking your spare change and finding a coin that collectors are searching for. That simple nickel could become the highlight of a coin collection and possibly even a valuable investment. So the next time you see a Canadian nickel, take a closer look. Check the year, check the details, and pay attention to the condition. You never know when a small coin could turn into a big discovery. If you enjoy learning about rare coins, hidden treasures, and valuable collectibles, make sure to subscribe to Bullion and Beyond. Turn on notifications so you never miss an exciting coin discovery. Share this video with your friends and family because they might also have valuable coins waiting to be discovered. Thank you for watching, and remember, sometimes the smallest coins can hold the biggest surprises.